Welcome to the Weber Portal, where you can access all of Weber's digital services and view all your information at a glance. Our portal was designed with your work in mind, offering an overview of all your production lines, your service tickets, training programs, spare parts catalogs, and our digital factory solutions. We want to make your work easier. All Weber machines from your production collected in one tool. Is everything running smoothly? Has all maintenance been completed? Which spare parts need to be replaced? The new Weber portal combines powerful functions with an improved interface to offer the most pleasant user experience. If you have a problem or a question, you can send it to us directly in the portal. You can also see an overview of your service tickets. Let's take it a step further. Need to train your employees? No problem. Our Weber Academy offers a range of training courses that provide instruction and assistance for using the machines. And when you need a spare part, the Weber portal can do that too, with its built-in spare parts catalog. The various search functions ensure that you always find what you're looking for. You can save favorites, view your order history, and find and order the right spare parts directly. And now we come to our digital factory solutions. The Factory Cockpit provides live data on the key metrics for all your production lines. The Factory Care application shows all maintenance operations and generates reports. And the Factory Assist is the helping hand in your production that supports you in communicating across departmental boundaries. Managing your processes has never been easier. Just log in from your computer or tablet and stay informed no matter where you are. But don't take our word for it. Request trial access to the Weber portal now.